Hello guys, Mr. Labes here. Let's say we wanna make a screenshot. How to do it on Debian. So the simplest way is just press the print screen button on the keyboard. You get the screenshot application running. So now let's try the first option, like an entire screen. So okay, and let's save it to some folder. Yeah, pictures, yeah, cool, this one. Let me open it, pictures. Open with this one, retro image viewer, yeah. So yeah, this is the screenshot we've just taken, and yes, let's try again. Another option is like active window. Let's grab that one, but I want to select the window, so let's add some like 3 seconds. So okay, and we have 3 seconds to select the window. Yeah, I want this one. Yeah, see, it made this screenshot. So okay, save this one. Cool. Open it. Yeah, this is our screenshot. Let's try again. The last option is select a region. So very useful when you write some kind of documentation. Yeah, also you can have some time if you need to select something. Let's say, let's increase it like 5 seconds. So okay, and now we select. Let's say I want this for whatever reason. Cool. And maybe I won't select this one, like this. Yeah, and we have a screenshot. Save it. Okay, open it again. Yeah, this is the last one. And here is our screenshot. So this is how you can make some screenshots for your documentation, etc. And I find it's very useful tool to use. Well, that's it. See ya.